Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair. If you're new here, today we're going to do another two-part series. Tomorrow is Friendsmas, so I need to make the dessert that I'm bringing besides Christmas cookies. It's called candy cane pie. It's basically like a peppermint cheesecake. I made this, I think, last year in a video. I will try to remember to link it down below. But I couldn't find chocolate pie crust this year, so we're doing chocolate tarts. Basically, I'm going to make the base of the pie and just put it into tarts. And then I'll add the whipped cream when I get to my friend's house, because last year it also bled in the travels, the red from the bottom into the top, so it wasn't very pretty. So I figure I will add that when we get there. But for now, we're going to get the base made, get them into the tarts so I can chill it overnight, and then I will be ready to take them tomorrow. So I'm going to grab what I need and get set up, and then I will show you what the ingredients are as we go. I will link the recipe. I'm having this, I don't even think I'm going to need half, but we're going to have it. So we got heavy whipping cream. This is some powdered sugar cream cheese, crushed peppermints, which I saved myself the hassle this year and bought these pre-crushed on Amazon and just put them in this bottle so I could use it for the hot cocoa bar. Red food coloring, vanilla extract, and peppermint extract. And then, like I said, I'm using these mini tart shells, which I'll open when we get to that point. For now, we're going to cream this heavy whipping cream until it turns into stiff peaks. Then we'll mix this, and then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients and combine. But let's get started with mixing until we have stiff peaks. I would say that's pretty stiff. It's not really moving much. So we're gonna set that aside and then work on this next. We're gonna mix the cream cheese and the powdered sugar together. Now we're gonna add in our extracts. And we're going to blend along with the food coloring until we get a uniform color. It's saying that we're supposed to mix in this in here, and then we're going to add everything to the whipped cream over there. But this I'm going to hand mix in, although you're supposed to use the mixer in the next step, which honestly sounds a little scary, but we're gonna go with it. But I feel like all this peppermint in here might be an issue with the mixer, but we're gonna ride with it. And then we're gonna add this in together. Sorry I'm not getting any like crazy fun angles. I was really hoping this would be a very quick throw it all together situation. It says to use a very low speed when you're combining this. This is the point where we're gonna differ a little bit. Normally you're gonna put it into your pie crust at this point. But again, I don't have pie crust, so what we're gonna do is put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna cut the tip off so it's easier to control when I'm adding it to the tarts. And then we will, whatever might be left, I might put in like a glass or something in the fridge. And then I can just have like a personal dessert later at a different time. But a couple things, let me get these opened. I am going to keep them in their little plastic bottom just to make it easier for transport, and then I'll probably have to put this into another container. This is a helpful hack, honestly, if you guys ever make deviled eggs, to put the mix in here and then you can fill your little eggs. What I did is I bought Cool Whip in a can, so it'd be a little easier because these are so tiny. And then I will bring these with me just to put a sprinkle on top. But these will make cute little desserts, and I will what was I gonna say? I'm losing my train of thought. Yeah, I'll show you how they turn out tomorrow, but I think those will be fun to go with the cookies, which that's the other thing. I need to get cookies out. I'm not gonna show you that because you've seen the cookies, but I want to get them all pulled out and separate what's going with me over there. So, but I'm gonna clean up dishes. I'm at my friend's house. We're here for Friendsmas, so I'm calling it. I forgot to check in when I got off work, but I'll show you the cookies as I set them up.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. He'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair.
All right, so I know I didn't talk a lot while I was there. I was just enjoying the time spent with my friends. I really did enjoy it. We had a very tasty meal, as I showed you, and we opened presents. It was just fun being with my friends and getting to enjoy time together. I find that so important when we don't get to spend a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed. I know this is short and most of it was about the dessert, but I hope everybody has a blessed day.
Bells in